In this video, we'll talk about how a mosaic develops long before the final image appears. The design gives us the composition, but the real artwork is created through choosing the right colors, shades, and glass combinations. For this pomegranate mosaic, we begin with the main subject, the fruit itself. We gather different sheets of red glass, looking for the perfect balance of warm reds, deep burgundy tones, coral shades, and touches of orange. One single color would make the pomegranates look flat, so we carefully combine multiple shades to create natural highlights and shadows. Every piece is selected individually. Some colors look beautiful on the glass sheet, but don't work once they're placed into the composition. That's why we constantly compare, replace, and adjust pieces until the colors flow naturally. Once the pomegranates begin to take shape, we move on to the leaves. Here again, one shade of green isn't enough. We combine olive, emerald, yellow, green, and darker forest tones to make the branches feel alive. Before cutting, we always pay attention to the direction of the glass. Many stained glass sheets have natural streaks and color variations. By rotating the template, we can use those patterns to follow the direction of each leaf, making the entire composition look more natural. After choosing the colors, we begin cutting the glass. We use both a glass cutter and mosaic nippers, depending on the shape of each piece. Larger sections are scored with the cutter, while smaller details are refined with the nippers. The next step is the background. We wanted it to resemble a bright blue sky behind the branches. To achieve this effect, we combined several shades of blue instead of using just one. Light blue, turquoise, and deeper sky blue pieces are mixed throughout the background, creating movement and making the pomegranates stand out even more. As the composition grows, the colors begin working together. The warm reds contrast beautifully against the cool blues, while the greens connect every element into one balanced image. Even near the end of the process, we continue making small adjustments. Sometimes replacing just one piece of glass is enough to improve the entire composition. These are the details that often go unnoticed, but they make a huge difference in the finished artwork. Creating a mosaic isn't simply about following a pattern. It's about understanding color, observing how different shades interact, and allowing the artwork to evolve one piece at a time. Before the final assembly, we also select glass for the side edges of the acrylic base. The colors are chosen to match the main mosaic composition, so the border feels like a natural continuation of the artwork rather than a separate element. And here's the finished pomegranate mosaic. Hundreds of individually chosen glass pieces come together to create one vibrant composition filled with light, color, and depth.